What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I'm super excited because it's Halloween time, so it's time to get spooky with it. And I can't wait to do this amazing spooky spider ghost resin project with you guys. So before we get going on the rest of the video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can become a part of the It's J Bunny fam. We're growing every single day and I appreciate every single person who subscribes. And while you're at it, you guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button because it really helps to support this video. It's spooky season, so you know I had to bring a fun and funky Halloween resin project to you guys. And yeah, today we're doing such a fun project. I cannot wait to get going into it. It is a super spooky spider and ghost wine rack cup holder, including 4 coasters so that you guys can host the best Halloween parties at your house or little small dinner get-togethers, or heck, just enjoy some wine at home, just you and your boo thing. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of this video, please continue to watch. Let's get into the supply list. This is the mold. This is for a wine rack. Here are 2 coasters that the mold set came with, and the set also comes with 2 more coasters, so 4 coasters total and the wine rack mold. The next thing that you're going to be needing is some pigment. I have here some mica powder in a silvery white and a pure pearl white. I'll link these down below. And I also have some white epoxy alcohol inks. The next thing you're going to be needing is some glitter. I have here my iridescent chunky white glitter, and I also have some black and red glitters right here. And you're also going to be needing one of these red glue glitter sticks. The next thing you're going to be needing is, of course, your mixing cups and your stir sticks. This came as a set. They come with prefab measurement lines on the side, and they're disposable, and they come with free mixing sticks. So I highly suggest buying this set. It just makes my life that much easier. The next thing you're going to be needing is your gloves. Make sure to always protect your hands when you're doing resin. The next supply you're going to be needing is a unique technique that I'm going to be applying in today's resin project, and it's going to be using acrylic paint. Look at this awesome 14 color acrylic paint set that I picked up. I mean, it's everything that you could imagine for one low price. Honestly, look at all of the freaking colors that you get. Today we're just going to be using the black. We're going to be hand painting designs directly onto our resin using acrylic paint today. Honestly, I have barely seen anyone do this technique, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. You're also going to be needing some paintbrushes. And of course, you guys, don't forget you need your resin. I'm using Pro Glass 1000 tabletop resin. It comes in a 2-gallon set, and I'll link that one down below. That's it for the supplies. Let's get into the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some resin, and we're gonna get right into the steps. Let's do this. So here I have mixed up 2 cups, each of 6 ounces for 12 ounces total of resin. Also, you guys, notice I've put down a silicone mat to protect my table, and then over here I have some thick paper protecting my table. You always want to have a good setup to make sure that you don't ruin your actual tabletop. Always take care to set up a nice, flat, even, and clean place to do your resin. And now for the fun part, we're going to go ahead and take our pure white pearl mica powder. I'm gonna put some in one cup, some in the other cup. So I've added about this much, and I'm going to incorporate it in a little bit to see how this starts to look. We definitely need more of a white color, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my white epoxy alcohol ink, shake it really good. Then I'm gonna add some of these drops directly to our resin, and I'm going to mix. I also have this silver pearl color, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this mica powder as well to both cups. Y'all, I'm making a huge freaking mess. All right, and now I'm gonna incorporate that as well. All right, you guys, so here I have my resin all mixed up, and I'm gonna start pouring into our molds. I'm gonna cover each of the bottom of our layers with the white pouring slowly to make sure I have enough. And yeah, with the wine rack, I'm just making sure that I urge it to go into the corners. All 5 of our pieces for this set are going to have the same color for the base. Don't worry, they'll all have a unique design. I think I may have poured a little bit too much resin, but don't worry, I have some extra molds. So if this happens to you, just make sure that if you don't want to waste it, you can just get another spare mold that you have and use it to make something cute and unexpected than what you planned for. Now for this step, honestly, I am filling it almost all the way up because our final layer is just going to be clear and it's going to go on top of our design. We don't need much clear to go on top. So yes, you guys, I am filling these up quite a lot. Alright you guys, so that is it for this step. Let it dry, don't touch it, and I'll be back in a jiff for our next step. Our first layer of the pour, the white, pearly white, is looking so beautiful and it's cured after a couple of hours. I'm now going to be using my paintbrushes, my black acrylic paint, and I have a plate here, of course, to put my paint in just to use as my little palette. So I'm gonna start off with this piece right here, and for this one, I'm gonna write a cute little saying. It's gonna say trick or drink. This technique of using the acrylic paint is so perfect for doing any kind of custom design that you want to do on any project. Literally, I am so happy to share this tip and trick with you guys for your future resin projects. The next one we're gonna work on is this coaster, and I'm gonna make this one into a spooky spider web. On this one, I'm going to do a spooky ghost. For this one, I chose to do a spooky spider. Oh my god. I'm scared of this one. Spooky season vibes for sure, you guys. Oh my god. Alright you guys, so now the last piece that we're going to paint is our wine rack cup holder. Let's do this. One more thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this red glitter glue we have, and I'm gonna add 2 red eyes to our spider over here. All right, you guys, that's it. Just wait for this layer to completely dry. Like I said, 110% dry. Then we're gonna be back to pour this final glittery, gooey, goblin-y layer. Be back soon. Alright you guys, so I've mixed up a final 6 ounces of resin, half part A, half part B, and now I'm gonna add in some of this black glitter. Now I'm gonna add in some of this kind of ruby red fuchsia glitter. Now I'm gonna put in some of our chunky iridescent glitter. Oh yeah, this is looking bomb. Look you guys, look at that. Nice. Alright you guys, it's fully incorporated. I'm now going to spread this top coat across all of the coasters and the wine rack. I'm spreading it around because if I need more, I'm just gonna mix clear, and this way each one is kind of getting an even amount of the glitter part, just in case I run out. Be careful not to overfill your mold. Alright you guys, everything is looking so super duper perfect. Like, oh my god. As long as this resin cures, these are going to be amazing. Stay tuned for the demolding up next right now. Whoa, all right, you guys, it's the next day. Our pieces are completely dry and it's time to demold them. Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching today's resin video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a spooktacular time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys back for the next one.